Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're gonna show you how to change the film in the Instax Mini 12. We're gonna change the film here as the new one. So firstly, we have to open the new film. Please open the film. Next, we're gonna be turn on the back cover. Open it. Release these things from here, and as you see we have a silver cover on the film, so please open it. Okay, now let's see that the yellow dot is here on the camera, and the same yellow dot will be on the film, in the film of the camera. Yeah, that's right. This is the new film, and as you see there is a yellow dot. On the upper side there is a place which you can't hold your finger, okay? So be sure to place it like that in the camera. So the yellow dot is the yellow dot next to the yellow dot. And now close the back cover. Now you have to turn on the camera. Please, can you turn on? Okay, something like that. And now we have to place the first photo to release the cover. Okay. Then. Okay, and there is a one hold.